Hi everybody, I'm here doing another Thomason review. These are actually for mosquito bands. They're from South Balance. Definitely a great little thing to have for camping, just being outdoors, fishing, especially fishing because you're near water holes and stuff a lot. And mosquitoes are really prone to being around there. But there's 12 in here, and there's 4 different colors. They're good for putting on a baby carriage, your baby, your dog, yourself, just anything that needs protecting from mosquitoes. But yeah, there's orange, yellow, green, and blue, so you can have fun with them, just kind of have your kid or whatever pick a color. But yeah, if you're interested, these are the Self Balance, and their link is down below if you want to purchase these for camping and outdoors activities.